In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to a Microsoft Teams meeting on your mobile device. Whether you're on the go, at home, or anywhere in between, joining a Teams meeting from your phone is simple and convenient. Let's dive into the process and get you connected in no time. First, let's talk about joining from a link. Often, you might receive a meeting link through an email, chat, or message. Once you've located this link in your communications, go ahead and tap on it. This action will automatically redirect you to the Teams app on your mobile device. It's quite user-friendly, as the app will typically open up right away without any extra steps. Now, you may encounter a choice depending on your Microsoft account status. If you don't have an account or simply prefer not to sign in, there's a handy option called Join as a Guest. Tap on this choice to proceed. However, if you're already a Microsoft user, you can sign in with your credentials to join as yourself, which might provide a richer experience with access to more features. For those opting to join as a guest, it's essential to fill in your name when prompted. This information helps the meeting organizer and other participants identify who you are, especially important in larger meetings or presentations. After typing in your name, look for the Join Meeting button and tap on it. You're almost there. As the meeting loads, be patient for a moment as your device connects. Make sure you've got a stable internet connection for the smoothest experience. Sometimes, toggling your Wi-Fi can help if you're having trouble with connectivity, especially in areas with weak signals. And there you have it. You're now ready to participate in your Microsoft Teams meeting from your mobile device. Whether it's a quick catch-up with colleagues or a more in-depth conference, all the tools you need are just a tap away on your phone. Remember, the flexibility mobile access offers can be a game changer, especially when schedules are tight and you need to stay connected no matter where you are. By following these steps, I hope you find your mobile Teams meetings to be just as engaging and interactive as if you were in front of your computer. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. Feel free to watch this video again if you need a refresher, or reach out with any questions or comments. Thanks for joining me today, and happy meeting on the go!